Good afternoon, everybody. I am Father Gerald Pascal, and by agreement with the bishop, I was tasked to draft a personal handbook for the diocese. In November 2012, there arose a conflict between a secretary who was 12 years already in the parish. The conflict resulted into the parish priest terminating the employment of the secretary. The secretary took the documents of the parish and went to the bishop, told everything that had happened. And the bishop told the parish priest to reinstate the secretary. However, priest as he was, he disobeyed the bishop. And so the secretary had no other recourse but to file a case, a labor case, against the parish priest. The parish priest countered with another lawsuit for the theft of the records of the parish. The bishop intervened, saying that he has the records and the secretary should be reinstated. However, despite that second warning, he continuously disobeyed the bishop. And so the bishop suspended the parish priest. And it resulted into something unthinkable, that which the parish priest rallying the parishioners to his side, explaining that it was the bishop and the secretary at fault. So the parishioners went on to barricade the church. And it lasted for around 4 years before it was finally settled. It almost ended up with the priest being dismissed from the ministry. And so this is actually what this whole project is about. To be organized, to be professional in what we do in the parish, more so in the relationship between the employees and the diocese and the priest. So this project is also brought about by the lack of human resources department in our diocese. Everything is handled independently by the parishes. Without any standards, there is actually lacking in equity. Although they are different, these different parishes are situated in the same diocese. Because in the diocese, we are 685,000 Catholics as of 2019. And for every priest, there is 15,000 Catholics, which he has to administer. And so this project aims to institutionalize employment and the service of the parish, and to manage human resources to better reach as many Catholics and pastorally cater to all their needs. It aims on standardizing all this relationship and also to put some guidelines so that it will not go astray, just like the story at first. To standardize, we have to put some measure of criteria for the selection and hiring. We also have to put some job descriptions so that they would be a definite task for each employee, so that they will know what is expected of them. And on the basis of these expectations, they can be evaluated, they can be gauged, they can be promoted. We also have to put some code of conduct and discipline so that we can know, or the employee may know, what is overboard and what is within standard. Then we have to put some policies for termination and the process. It is really important that we have to have a process by which we can discipline the employees. What is equitable in Philippine law regarding termination of employees or dealing with employees. And then we have to have a grievance procedure wherein they can actually talk first among themselves before going to higher authorities or before going to court. And then the policy on social media and harassment. So the policy, the lay personal handbook, aims to also, more importantly as a Catholic institution, to instill core values of love, justice, equity, and for the service of all. That is what Jesus really had taught us to be. The action plan for the implementation is to submit first this personal handbook to the approval of the bishop. We have to consult the employees and the priest for any observation. We have to collate all the responses so that we can place them in the personal handbook. Finally, we have to present and get the approval of everybody who is concerned in this. There is still implementation, and the monitoring, and the proper evaluation so that we can upgrade or we can improve the handbook. We can really measure the success of this project if and when a community is built, when relationships are good, services are efficient. Thank you.